Hey everyone, Nance here, and boy do I have a double treat for you. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a unique appetizer, bacon wrapped peaches. Also, a refreshing peach honey lemonade. I hope you're ready, I know I am. To make your bacon wrapped peaches, take 2 peaches and cut them into quarters, then wrap each quarter with a half slice of bacon. Spray a baking sheet with cooking spray, and take your peaches, place them seam side down, about 1 inch apart. Bake in a preheated oven at 425 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes or until the bacon is crisp. You want to flip it over 1 time halfway through. While the peaches are inside the oven, now it's ready for the second treat I was talking about, the peach honey lemonade. Now the cool thing about this peach honey lemonade, it replaces the traditional sugar with honey and agave nectar. In a saucepan, add 2 cups of peach nectar, along with a pinch of cinnamon and nutmeg. Take 3/4 cup of honey and 1/4 cup of agave nectar. Put your heat on medium and you're gonna cook for 3 minutes, stirring with a wooden spoon. Okay, so add 1/2 cup of lemon juice to a beverage container, along with our peach mixture. Oh yeah. And finish up with 3 1/4 cups of cold water. Mix it together and refrigerate until chilled. When the peaches come out of the oven, you're gonna sprinkle them with a pinch of brown sugar and fresh thyme. And there you have it, bacon wrapped peaches and peach honey lemonade. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my kitchen next time.